Drilling rig mast inspection and maintenance. Preventing catastrophic failures starts with proactive, detailed upkeep. The rig mast is the backbone of drilling operations. Failure here risks lives, equipment, and production continuity. Know your mast. Key components include the crown block, mast legs, pins, and wire ropes. Each must be inspected closely. Always prepare with the right tools: torque wrenches, grease guns, fluid testers, lighting, and a detailed inspection log. Adopt a digital or paper schedule. Document every inspection and service action to ensure nothing is missed. Look for early signs of rust, wear, or misalignment. Small issues can become catastrophic if overlooked. Lubricate moving parts thoroughly using the specified grease. This reduces friction, heat, and component wear. Regularly replace hydraulic fluid and flush systems to remove contaminants that degrade mast performance. Verify bolt torques match specifications. Even minor torque discrepancies can lead to stressful joint failures. Inspect every cable and wire rope for fraying, crushed spots, or broken strands. Replace as soon as damage is found. Always use lockout and tag-out procedures before starting mast maintenance. Ensure full isolation from hazardous energy. Use approved fall protection for any work above ground. Anchor points must be certified and equipment regularly checked. Conduct regular emergency drills. Every worker must know the response protocols for equipment failures and accidents. Reference up-to-date standards and manuals. Digital tools improve accuracy and traceability for every maintenance task. Proactive mast maintenance protects your crew, your equipment, and your bottom line. Make it part of every operation.